Ever found yourself staring at a bank's website, wondering if there's a real, physical place you can walk into? A place where you can talk to a person, handle cash, or just feel the reassuring weight of a bank counter? Specifically, have you ever asked yourself, does Patriot Bank have a branch? It's a question that's surprisingly common in today's increasingly digital world. We're bombarded with online services, apps, and virtual everything. Banking is no exception. We're told to embrace the convenience of mobile deposits, online transfers, and virtual customer service. But sometimes, you just need a branch. You need that human touch. You need the reassurance that comes with a physical location. Think about it. Maybe you need to deposit a large sum of cash. Or you want to discuss a complex loan application face-to-face. Perhaps you're dealing with a sensitive financial issue and need personalized guidance. Or maybe, just maybe, you're old school and prefer the traditional banking experience. The rise of online-only banks and digital platforms has blurred the lines. We're left wondering, what's the balance between digital convenience and the necessity of physical presence? And when it comes to Patriot Bank, that question becomes particularly relevant. So, let's dive in. What exactly is Patriot Bank? Before we answer the branch question, we need to understand the bank itself. Patriot Bank is a community bank, a term that often evokes images of local branches, friendly tellers, and deep community ties. But in today's financial landscape, the term community bank doesn't necessarily mean the same thing it did decades ago. Patriot Bank is indeed a community bank, but they operate with a focus on blending traditional banking values with modern, digital solutions. They aim to serve their communities effectively, but the way they do it might surprise you. Now, let's get to the core of the issue, the branches. Does Patriot Bank have physical branches? The short answer is yes, but it's more nuanced than a simple yes or no. Patriot Bank does maintain a network of branches, primarily concentrated in specific geographic areas. This means they aren't a nationwide, sprawling banking giant with branches on every corner. Their focus is on targeted communities. This strategic approach to branch locations is a reflection of their business model. They prioritize serving the needs of their existing customer base and the specific regions where they have established a strong presence. This is a common strategy for many community banks. They aim to be deeply rooted in their chosen communities, rather than spreading themselves too thin. However, and this is crucial, the number and locations of branches can change. Banks adjust their strategies based on market conditions, customer needs, and technological advancements. So, while Patriot Bank does have branches, it's essential to check their official website or contact them directly for the most up-to-date information on branch locations. Why is this important? Because relying on outdated information can lead to frustration and inconvenience. You might find yourself driving to a location that no longer exists or discover that the services you need are only available at a different branch. Furthermore, the services offered at each branch can vary. Some branches might be full-service locations, offering everything from personal banking and business banking to wealth management and loan services. Others might be smaller, limited-service branches focusing on basic transactions. This brings us to another crucial point, the role of digital banking. Patriot Bank, like many modern banks, invests heavily in its digital platforms. This means you can access a wide range of services online or through their mobile app, regardless of whether you have a branch nearby. Think about it. Mobile deposits, online bill pay, fund transfers, account balance checks, all these services are available at your fingertips. This digital infrastructure allows Patriot Bank to serve customers beyond their physical branch locations. So, even if you don't have a Patriot Bank branch in your immediate vicinity, you can still access many of their services conveniently. This is particularly important in today's fast-paced world, where time is a precious commodity. But, again, let's not forget the importance of branches for certain types of transactions. For example, business customers often need to deposit large sums of cash, which is typically easier and safer at a physical branch. Similarly, individuals seeking personalized financial advice might prefer to meet with a bank representative in person. This hybrid approach, combining physical branches with robust digital platforms, is becoming increasingly common in the banking industry. It allows banks to cater to a wider range of customer needs and preferences. Now, let's address a common misconception, the idea that online banking replaces the need for physical branches entirely. While digital banking offers undeniable convenience, it doesn't eliminate the need for branches. Branches serve as a vital point of contact for customers, especially those who prefer face-to-face interactions. They also play a crucial role in building community relationships and fostering trust. Think about the importance of trust in banking. You're entrusting your hard-earned money to a financial institution. Having a physical presence reinforces that trust and provides a sense of security. Moreover, branches serve as a hub for financial education and community outreach. Banks often host workshops, seminars, and other events at their branches, providing valuable resources to the community. These events can cover a wide range of topics, from budgeting and saving to investing and retirement planning. They can also provide opportunities for community members to connect with each other and build relationships. So, while digital banking is undoubtedly a powerful tool, it's important to recognize the continued relevance of physical branches. Now, let's circle back to the original question, does Patriot Bank have a branch? The answer, as we've established, is yes, but it's essential to do your research and verify the locations and services offered at each branch. Here's a practical tip, visit the Patriot Bank website and use their branch locator tool. This tool will provide you with the most up-to-date information on branch locations, hours of operation, and services offered. You can also contact Patriot Bank's customer service department for assistance. They can provide you with personalized guidance and answer any questions you may have. Additionally, don't hesitate to visit a branch in person. Take the time to explore the facilities, meet the staff, and learn more about the bank's services. This personal interaction can help you make informed decisions about your banking needs and build a strong relationship with your bank. In conclusion, Patriot Bank operates with a hybrid model, combining physical branches with robust digital platforms. This approach allows them to serve a wide range of customer needs and preferences. While they do have branches, it's crucial to verify the locations and services offered. Whether you prefer the convenience of digital banking or the reassurance of a physical branch, Patriot Bank aims to provide a comprehensive range of services to meet your financial needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.